Practical Guide to Calculate Energy Savings Before Applying for an Energy Savings Certificate. It is essential to calculate energy savings before applying for an energy savings certificate to determine if an investment in energy efficiency that justifies applying for the certificate makes economic sense. We will begin by describing 4 strictly necessary steps when applying for an energy savings certificate. We will break down each step with some milestones that explain the scope, and we will conclude by explaining the key performance indicators and some frequently used tools to be able to carry out the steps that we will now describe. 1. Carry out an energy audit. A. Exhaustive analysis. A detailed study of current energy consumption, identifying the most energy-consuming equipment, peak demand times, and potential energy losses. B. Consumption measurement. Use measuring equipment to obtain accurate data on electricity, gas, etc. consumption. C. Invoice analysis. Review energy bills from recent years to identify consumption trends and patterns. D. Facility inspection. Carry out a visual inspection of the facilities to detect possible deficiencies and opportunities for improvement. 2. Simulate savings scenarios. A. Simulation tools. Use specialized software to simulate different energy improvement scenarios and calculate the savings potential. B. Consider the proposed measures. Evaluate the impact of each proposed measure on total energy consumption. C. Estimate costs. Calculate the investment costs and payback periods for each measure. 3. Compare scenarios and select measures. A. Cost-benefit ratio. Prioritize the measures that offer the greatest energy savings per euro invested. B. Technical feasibility. Ensure that the selected measures are technically feasible and compatible with existing facilities. C. Environmental impact. Consider the environmental impact of each measure and select those that contribute to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. 4. Develop an action plan. A. Define objectives. Establish clear and quantifiable objectives in terms of energy savings. B. Establish a schedule. Define an implementation schedule for each measure. C. Assign responsibilities. Appoint those responsible for implementing each measure. Key performance indicators, also known as KPIs. First, energy consumption per unit of product. Allows comparison of the energy consumption of different processes or products. Second, energy intensity. Measures the amount of energy consumed per unit of production. Third, load factor. Indicates the effective utilization of energy equipment and systems. Useful tools. First, energy management software, which allows real-time monitoring and analysis of energy consumption. Second, tariff comparison platforms. Help to find the best energy tariffs. Third, energy savings calculators. Allow you to estimate the potential savings of different measures. At ILP, we are experts in advising companies and startups. Our goal is to support your success and growth. Get in touch with our AIs, Savvy and Atenea, to focus your queries, or contact us directly. More information at ilpabogados.com and ilpstartup.com.